Steplead, all about complete A to Z drinking water bottling plant and beverage plant for water, beverage business. My channel is all about how to install, operate, and maintain machines like bottle filler, capper, labeler, wrapper, water filter, and bottle blower, etc. that for turnkey plant solution. So if you're a water, beverage plant business owner or equipment distributor for a right machine to optimize the benefit of your plant or clients, make sure to subscribe to my channel right now. Steplead, we are the leader in equipment manufacturing in the beverage industry, successfully helped countless customers from 70 different countries and regions in the world. We have more than $80 million in fixed assets, total plant area more than 100,000 square meters, and annual output value of $5 million, with a strict quality certification system, and passed various quality certification audits, including ISO 9001, CE, JUV, GS, ETL, UL, SASO, RoHS and CSA. We have a huge sales network, successful customers cases including Danone, Nestlé, Asahi Beer, Pepsi and so on. Since 1995, we provide from A to Z turnkey solution for beverage, water plant. A diverse assortment of filling and packaging machinery for different liquids, like mineral water, juice, hot-filled products, soy sauce, carbonated drinks, wine, oil, chemical and viscous liquids etc. Wide spectrum of Steplead machinery. 3 5-gallon bottle filler. 200 milliliters to 2 liters bottle filler. Canning machine. 3 to 10 liters bottle filler. Glass bottle filler. Reverse osmosis plant. Bottle labeler. Bottle blow molder. Preform injection molder. Packaging machinery. Strong facilities of Steplead. A team of highly qualified and industrious engineers and staff who are up to date with latest and most sophisticated technology. Full equipped lab with the most modern equipments. On time and speedy spare part delivery available to all parts of the world. Available to all parts of the world. Amazing service provided by Steplead. Excellent customer service providing 100% customer satisfaction to our clients. On-time delivery of projects. -24/7 assistance. Rich experience of Steplead. One of the most reputed and experienced food and beverage industry service provider. Successful completion of several prestigious projects in the bottling and beverage industry around the world. Providing support and services to leading water bottling and beverage companies around the world. As you can see, my channel publishes videos that focus on high-pixel quality videos, real machines ordered by our customers, practical operation tips, and in the trenches reports from subscribers like you. If that sounds like something that could help grow your business, then make sure to join me by subscribing. John Lau. WhatsApp, +86, 136 70,181,318. Email, johnlawvip@gmail.com. Website, www.steplead.com. Steplead Pack Tech Machinery. Business.facebook.com web link.